Welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Incremental Process Model, another important approach in the software development life cycle. Unlike traditional models that deliver the complete system at once, the incremental model builds and delivers the software in small, usable portions called increments. Each increments add new functionality to the existing system until the full software is complete. By the end of this video, you will understand how the incremental model works, its phases, when to use it, advantages and disadvantages. So let's dive in. In the incremental process model, the software requirements are divided into multiple standalone modules. Each module goes through its own requirements, design, implementation, and testing phases. After the first module is complete, it is released to the customer. Every subsequent module adds new functionality to the previously delivered modules. This process continues incrementally until the complete system is developed and fully functional. In short, instead of delivering the entire software at once, the incremental model builds the system step by step, making it easier to manage and test. The incremental process model is ideal in situation where development can be done in small, manageable parts. Requirements are clearly specified and upfront. The team knows what needs to build from the beginning. Quick product release is needed. The customer can start using early increments while later modules are developed. Prioritized requirements can be developed first. The most important features are delivered earlier. Long development schedules. Large projects can be divided into smaller increments for easier management. Team may have limited skills. Smaller increments make it easier for less experienced team to handle development. Lower initial delivery cost. Early increments reduce upfront investment. Commonly used for web application and product-based companies. Incremental delivery is practical in fast-changing markets. There are 4 phases in incremental process model. The first phase of the incremental model is requirement gathering and analysis. In this phase, the business analyst and product manager collect all functional and non-functional requirements from the customer. This phase is crucial as it lays the foundation for the increments to be developed later. Clear requirements ensure that each increment aligns with the customer's expectations. The second phase is design. Here, the overall software architecture is designed along with high-level and detailed designs. The design includes algorithms, data flow diagrams, activity diagrams, class diagram, state transition diagram, and database design. This detailed design helps developers implement each increment accurately and ensures smooth integration of subsequent modules. The third phase is implementation. In this phase, the software design is translated into actual source code. Programmers use suitable programming languages, frameworks, and databases to build the increment. Each increment is developed as a standalone module that can be delivered and tested independently. The fourth phase is testing. Testers check the performance and functionality of each increment to ensure it meets customer requirements. They verify both existing features and new functionality added in the current increment. Common testing methods include white box, black box, and grey box testing. This ensures that each increment is reliable and integrates smoothly with previous models. Let's look at the advantages of the incremental process model. Client gets important functionality early. Key features are delivered first so the customer can start using the system immediately. Clear project understanding. Clients have a better idea of how the final system will look and function. Errors are easy to recognize. Since each increment is tested individually, problems are caught early. Easier to test and debug. Smaller modules are simpler to verify than a complete system. Risk management is simpler. Risks are handled within each iteration, reducing overall project risk. Changes are easy to implement. Requirements can be updated incrementally without affecting the entire system. Flexible and cost-effective. Partial system built toward the final system. Each increment adds to the previous one, gradually producing the complete system. Now, let's look at some disadvantages of the incremental process model. Required a skilled team and proper planning. Each increment needs careful design and development, so an inexperienced team may struggle. Cost can increase over time. Adding multiple increments and making changes repeatedly can raise the overall project cost. Incomplete requirements gathering can cause design issues. If initial requirements are unclear, later increments may face integration problems. Lack of smooth flow between increments. Sometimes integrating new modules with existing ones can be challenging. High effort to fix repeated issues. Errors that occur in earlier increments may need to be corrected in multiple modules, increasing effort. Thank you for watching this video on the incremental process model. If you found it helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more software engineering tutorials. See you in the next video.